Alright guys, back on the Ram 5500. As you can see, just prepping the turbo to put it in there. This was really nasty, you guys. All this was really nasty. As you can see, I cleaned it up the best I could, but it is just nasty. I don't understand. See these things? This all got scraped off of here and off of this edge right here. You can still kind of see a little bit in there, but golly, that stuff was nasty. Look, there's a little bit. It's hard to see. Let me see if I can get the light. See in there? There's a little bit in there that's still left. So I'm not too sure why that was like that, but either way, cleaned it the best I can. Also guys, before I install it, as you can see, there's a small little lineup pin right there. You see that lineup pin? That ends up right there. So that way the housing goes on only one way, as you can see. So look, the housing will turn. Watch it. The housing will turn. There it goes. Now it won't, because it landed in that lineup pin, and that's how the turbo looks when it's inside of the vehicle. So as you can see, that lineup pin is very important. Okay, so let me go ahead and get this off, and we'll move forward from here. All right, guys. See you in a bit.